I had a friend tell me one time, the fourth commandment is the only commandment Christians brag about breaking. This was in regards to the Sabbath, which means to cease from work and to practice rest. And his statement about bragging speaks directly to the get it done by any means necessary mentality we all tend to get caught up in. We must remember that this wisdom God gave Moses wasn't a suggestion, it was a commandment. Exodus 20 says, "Remember the Sabbath day by keeping it holy. 6 days you shall labor and do all your work, but the seventh day is a Sabbath to the Lord your God. On it you shall not do any work." In the midst of our busy schedules, God commands us to pause, cease our striving, and acknowledge that He is the ultimate provider of rest. This isn't merely about physical rest, but a holistic pause. The crazy thing about how the Sabbath came about is that God Himself rested on the seventh day. This wasn't out of weariness, but to establish a pattern for us to follow. Intentionally ceasing from work forces us to slow down and remind ourselves that God is our ultimate source. Neglecting the Sabbath leads to nothing but burnout and spiritual fatigue. God, in His infinite wisdom, designed us with a need for rest, knowing that in the stillness, we would hear His voice more clearly. Let's honor God by taking the time to rest. In the intentional pause of the Sabbath, we discover a profound truth. Resting in Him is where we find true refreshment and restoration.